Okay, today we're finally getting loaded, put back on the John Deere 410 loaded backhoe. And we're going to start with the hydraulic cylinders. We're going to get them lifted into place with mobility. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos on this engine rebuild, they'll be called up here at the top corner of the screen. Be sure to go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let's get started. Come up. Okay, come towards the front. There. There it is. Come up and towards the front. I seem to think they go back further too. That strap hook design's fine unless you roll it. Oh. I rolled it and it just unhooked itself. Very happy. It worked rather brilliantly in that sense. I totally saw this in the manual on how to do this. Okay, we got the cylinders put on, and I got this one here raised up because I have to take the steel line off and get them cleaned out. They have some junk and stuff here from the end. I had them plugged, all wrapped up in tape, but somehow they came off of this end and got some gunk in there. Either way, go and get those cleaned, and I still need to put all snap rings in to hold cylinders on, but again, that just takes a second to do. I guess once I got the cylinders cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and get the hoses hooked up to them, and then once that's done, I get the loader set in place.
A few inches later.
Okay, there it is. The loader is finally on. We had an awful time getting it set up here because the ground, you probably can't tell here on the camera, it is all just terribly uneven, and it wants to slope to this direction, and that made the loader want to twist to this side, and when it twists like that, it's a tight enough fit. It will not fit into this little cavity it sets back into. It will not fit in there if it's a little bit cockeyed. So we had the idea of setting it on top of here, and then once it's set down to kind of V-chain on, kind of reposition. But it actually slipped off of here, and it worked out quite well because it dropped down in both sides, inside, and it kind of straightened itself out. And you can kind of see the paint grooves there on where we scratched coming down. But finally in, everything's pinned up, bolted on, should be ready to go. Again, with the cylinders, we had an awful time with this tilt cylinder right here, because you have to line up all of these different linkage points, and you have to get all that just right and just lined up. We had a bug of a time getting it done. And so, luckily, we finally we got the drill plate, we got it put in place. I am leaving the hood off of it for now, because I want to see on if we have any leaks or anything like that. And I believe that is it. I got the windows all washed because we had hornet issues, and when I was trying to get rid of the hornets, we soaked the windows with liquid wrench and WD-40 and all kinds of stuff, which wasn't really the greatest idea, but you know, we got rid of the hornets. Anyway, so now I can see out the windows. I want to go out and take this for a test drive, but that's going to be the next video, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And I think we should be ready to go. The tires have air. This back tire here, it seems like it is up, but it has a tendency to leak down over a week or so's time. The front tires have air, which would be bad if they're flat, so no, that's good. So I guess this is going to be it for this video, and like I said, subscribe so you don't miss any other videos coming up. Give the video a like, that helps me out a ton. And leave comments down below. I always like to hear what you guys have to say. But until then, I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.